Hi friends, welcome back to another beginner's guide to makeup. Some mornings you may wake up with a big juicy spot. I'm sure you can all relate. In today's video, I'll be showing you my best tips on how to cover a blemish. So let's get started. You want to begin with clean, fresh skin. Having a skincare routine is extremely important. Next, choose a primer suited to your skin type. This will act as a barrier between your makeup and your skin and keep oily areas at bay. We want to neutralize redness with a color corrector. Taking a green color corrector will neutralize discoloration on paler skin tones. If you have a warmer skin tone, yellow will work better for you. For more information on color correctors, you can check out my video that covers everything. No pun intended. Press the color corrector onto the spot with a brush, then use the warmth of your finger to hold down to melt the color corrector into the skin and also blend down the edges. Next, apply foundation as normal using a stippling technique. Stippling is when you bounce the brush lightly against your skin. This will give you extra coverage and also ensure you don't disturb the work you have already done. Now we have the redness covered, we want to add a little extra coverage to make sure the blemish cannot be seen. Using a blemish concealer like this one, use the same color as your foundation. Using a lighter concealer will actually enhance the blemish. Use your finger to warm up the concealer and then hold down on the blemish to melt it into the skin. Then very gently smooth out the edges and apply powder to set. And lastly, I'd recommend using a setting spray to make sure everything lasts as long as possible, and pack a powder with you for touch-ups throughout the day. And that's it. That's how you cover a blemish. Remember, it's nearly impossible to cover texture, but this will cover it as much as possible. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you next week.